Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a Google Forms approval system with one-click approve and reject buttons. This allows approvals to happen in seconds, without endless email follow-ups or manual tracking. If you are ready, let's get started. First, open the template link from the video description. You'll see a screen asking you to make a copy. Click Make a Copy. This will create your own version of the spreadsheet. Please check this tab to find out how you can change the spreadsheet time zone to match your own. You should do this first. Before filling anything in, we need to link your Google form to this spreadsheet. Open your Google form. Click Responses, then click the three dots, and choose Select Response Destination. Select Existing Spreadsheet, and choose this settings file. Once that's done, your form responses sheet will appear here. The first thing to fill in is the form responses sheet name. Next, we map the column letters. Enter the column letter for the submitter's email address, the submitter's name, and the supervisor's name. These letters come from the form responses sheet headers. Next, we need to add 3 new columns to our form responses sheet. Let's do that now. Once added, return to the Settings tab, and we enter their column letters here. Alright, next up, let's go to the menu and press Install Form Trigger. This will kickstart the approval process every time a form response comes in. Since this is the first time you are doing this, Google will request some permissions. Follow the steps shown in the video to grant those permissions. Alright, the form trigger is installed successfully. Next up, let's go to this tab and fill up the supervisor or approver names and email addresses. So once a form submission comes in, the approval email will be sent to the correct approver. Okay, next up, we need to deploy a web app that enables the approve and reject buttons to work. Let's go to Extensions and click on Apps Script. Click on the blue Deploy button and select New Deployment. Add in any description and press Deploy. Click on Authorize Access. Now follow the steps shown here to provide the necessary permissions. Once done, we need to copy the web app URL right here. And we go back to our settings file and paste the URL here. Alright, almost done. Now the rest of the shaded cells I have already filled out. These contain the customizable email approval messages. They contain some placeholders highlighted in red that you can replace to customize your message. They may look a bit complicated as they contain HTML. But don't worry, you can use any online HTML editor to customize your messages accordingly. Okay, that's it. Let's test by filling up a Google form. In my example, the Google form is for users to obtain approval for leave. There must be a question for the user to select the supervisor to approve his leave. So once the user submits the form, he will receive an email stating that his application is pending approval. And at the same time, the supervisor will also receive an email with the approve and reject buttons in the email. Okay, let's press the approve button now. The supervisor will see on this screen that his decision has been recorded. When we go back to the form responses, you can see that the 3 extra columns we added have been filled out automatically too. This is useful for tracking and audit purposes. By the way, the form submitter will also receive another email to inform him that his request has been approved or rejected. This completes the entire process. And that's it, folks. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical Google automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.